Why is the reaction always different when it involves the Southeast?
Igbo is really the problem. Let's start with this.
And nobody will take it away. No matter how you try to hide it, you cannot hide that Igbos are not marginalized in Nigeria.
You see this new tax policy that Tinubu is coming out with? I personally support it, and I support it for one reason.
Mr. Minister, you didn't senior us for age. Academically, you are not my senior me, and you are not senior to provide too. Maybe the course to read, we cannot be engineer. But you cannot say we are too small to ask you how much is the money we ask you.
Why would somebody like Ndi Igbo think of fighting for Biafra? He was born, I think, in 1967 when the war broke out. He started fighting for this Biafra of a thing because of marginalization.
I want us to start paying tax in this country. Maybe that will be the time we start taking things like politics serious in this country.
We are the highest importers and exporters. But there is no seaport in the Southeast.
Who doesn't care about the continuous attack of military bases and elimination of Nigerian soldiers? Who deliberately and out of selfish interest increased the price and cost of living in Nigeria to 1000%? Who in his administration, the people are dying of hunger, starvation and insecurities, but he's only talking about buying yachts, private jets, his vacation and taxing the people in 2026. Is Yoruba your brother? Who is complaining? The same Yoruba. But who is Nigerian problem? The Igbos.
But guess what? For a lot of times in Nigeria, if it was Igbo, every Igbo man and Igbo woman will be attacked, will be insulted, will be cursed. Peter Obi will be dragged in. This is not even about Peter Obi. Even before Peter Obi decided to be president, all Igbo people will be dragged. They will be called all manner of names. They will be called this, they will be called that, they will be called that.
Because the way we treat politics that like is a joke, the way we treat economics in this country like is a joke, like it doesn't concern us, because the money being squandered, the money being played with in this country is not coming out of our pocket.
Out of the tribalism that have been in the blood of all our Yoruba brothers, he situated all his brothers in the most significant leadership positions in Nigeria. The office of the EFCC chairman, Mr. Ola Olukoyede, is Yoruba, yet most of the arrested and convicted suspects are Yoruba. Who is crying? Yoruba. Who is Nigerian problem? The Igbos.
Maybe once they start squandering that your tax, let me see if you will not talk by that time. That change you want for Nigeria, you go come by fire by force.
From here to Kaduna, how much is the money? I go to ask you how much.
So the next time you hear an Igbo man or an Igbo woman saying that they are being marginalized in Nigeria, they are being treated differently, don't come at them and say, oh, it's a lie.